I'm Meg Green with Insurance Insider, and we're in Monte Carlo for the annual Rendezvous de September conference. Joining me now, all the way from Panama, are Active Re Executive CEO Ramon Martinez Carrera and Christian Vergara, CFO. Gentlemen, thank you for speaking with me today.
Thank you for joining. Thank you for letting us.
Thank you for the invitation.
Yeah, my pleasure. So, Ramon, congratulations. You were just upgraded by AM Best to an A.
Very much, yes.
What does that mean for your company?
Well, first of all, it's the confirmation of our long-term strategy based on 6 pillars, where we always have been focusing on financial strength, financial adaptation to the cycle, underwriting cycle, operational things, and even talent, which is very important for us. And I would like to use this opportunity to first thank you very much to our clients. We really appreciate doing business in more than 135 countries, more than 460 seeded companies and 170 brokers. All of them, by the way, are your readers. So thank you very much, and we're very proud of that.
Great. And Christian, 135 countries now you're operating in. How would you describe the reinsurance market today?
Well, as you well mentioned, working in more than 135 countries, but also collaborating with more than 653 insurance companies and working alongside with 170 brokers and partnering with 7 NGAs give us a broad vantage point of the reinsurance market across line of business and geographies. From that perspective, I would say and describe today's reinsurance market as one of transition and realignment. So we have a well-capitalized market, and despite the heavy cat losses of the first half of the year, the reinsurance market remained stable, with the reinsurers posting a strong double-digit returns on equity of 17 and 18%, and also the investor appetite, particularly on ILS and cat bonds, continue robust, adding fresh capacity to the market and also contributing to the stability. I think that these points highlight the resilience of the reinsurance market and in terms of solvency and profitability. And in contrast with Active Re, we are very closely aligned with the reinsurance market trend. As of the end of August 2025, the company is posting a strong double-digit return on equity of 15%, but also is posting a 90% of combined ratio. And last week, we were, as you already mentioned, the rating company affirmed for third year in a row the A excellent of a financial strength rating for the company with a stable outlook. And they highlighted the operating performance as strong and also the stronger balance sheet of the company with appropriate risk management, which, by the way, I think that will be necessary to navigate the rest of the year and beyond.
And I know you're very active in the MGA space. We've seen a lot of growth there, but is there a danger that MGAs might get into trouble by giving away the pen?
Indeed, we are working with MGAs for 10 years now. So we accumulated a great experience in that. Working with MGAs is always a challenge. Why? Because, and not only from the point of view of underwriting, not only. Challenges always come with the compliance issue, regulatory issues, data management, reporting. And that's why we, during these 10 years, we build up a special division headed by the Chief Operating Officer to control the MGAs, specifically controlling the MGAs, monitoring the MGAs. And we spend a lot of time, even sometimes up to 6 months, to evaluate and make a risk assessment of the MGAs. So we don't give away the pen as is. So we control, we monitor it every time on a regular basis, and On top of that, we align our platforms. We constantly follow what they write. We even in some times we approve the pre-submission from the MGAs. So yes, it's challenging, but there are more pros than cons in dealing with MGAs, and that's why we are working with 7 MGAs, and we have up to 15 binding authority agreements signed with MGAs, and we're following with that because there's cost effective first of all, and we use MGAs to expand our footprint both in new markets and new line of business. That's the way we're doing.
Ramon and Christian, thank you so much for speaking with me today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure always to talk to you.
For Insurance Insider, I'm Meg Green.